Hello, in this video we will implement TypeScript in our previous lesson in Array. If you want to follow along, which I recommend, you can download the code from this Github Repository. The link will be provided in the video description below. From our last video, I just copied over all the change in JavaScript code to TypeScript. Now let's resolve all the issues that appeared. In app.js, there seems to be no issue. But watch what happens when you remove this array. So it has an error now because the initial member list has become a type of any array. So what we should be doing is define the type. So this will be a membership of array. Save. Then we need to import membership. This one. Okay. And then watch what will happen if we remove the items in the array. Save. So it still knows that this is an array of membership. So let's revert this. Okay, now let's go to membership list.tsx. So here there's an error. So it's declared as type of any again. So what we'll do is add the type for the props. So React.fc, then it will be a type of memberships. The type will be membership array. Okay, so the error is now gone. Okay, now let's just run the application to confirm. Control tilde cd props TypeScript npm start. You can now see that the application is still working fine. So to summarize, these are the ways on how to declare array. So in an array, we just add this, and then as a props, we just add react.fc, then membership. That's all for this video. Please hit like to help me reach out to more people. Subscribe and click notification icon to get my latest update. Comment below for questions and topic you would like to be discussed. Thank you and good day.